What if I told you the most powerful part of your story isn't you, but the woman who loved you before you understood love? This Saturday on Saturday Morning Runnings, where culture meets conversation, Voices with the Lady D presents a special Mother's Day feature, The Woman Behind the Story. Because behind every life, every triumph, every scar, every comeback, there is a woman whose love, sacrifices, and quiet strength shaped the person you became. Some mothers got it right, some stumbled along the way, some weren't our mothers by birth, but they stepped in with a love that held us together. Whether she was your mom, your granny, your auntie, your grandmother, or that one woman who saw greatness in you before you saw it in yourself, this conversation honors her. We're celebrating her resilience. We're acknowledging her imperfections. We're lifting up her legacy. And we're giving thanks for the love that helped write our story. This Saturday, May 9 at 10 a.m. Don't miss it. And while you're here, like, share, and subscribe to Voices with Lady D so you never miss a moment that speaks to your heart.